Hi, I'm Martin Hammer, and I've been an architect in California for over 30 years. For over 20 years, I've worked with natural building systems such as straw bale, rammed earth, adobe, and cob. Cob uses the common materials of earth, sand, and straw, mixed together to create safe, durable, and beautiful walls. It has been used for centuries all over the world. Though cob has many health, environmental, and economic benefits over conventional buildings of wood, steel, and concrete, it is rarely used in most industrialized countries. A major reason is that there is no presence in the building codes for cob. That's what CRI's Cob Code effort seeks to change, to make cob a code-approved building material with requirements based on testing to ensure its safe use.
Hi, my name is Massey Burke. I'm a natural builder and designer, and I'm also a member of the board of directors of the Cob Research Institute. I love working with cob and designing for cob for various reasons. It's beautiful, it's sculptural. If used correctly, it's thermally high-performing. The Cob Research Institute was founded in 2008 with a mission of making cob legally accessible to everyone.
We need $50,000 so that we can complete the final testing needed and take the code through the drafting, submittal, and approval process, which can take up to a year.
My name is Jessica Tong, and I'm currently finishing one of the few permitted cob buildings in the United States. Cob and other natural materials are really compelling because they're beautiful, they're fun to work with, they're safe to work with, and they're really energy efficient, and the buildings feel good to be in. Because cob isn't in the code, we had to use an alternative materials and methods request, and that process was a lot slower and more expensive. It was only because everyone involved was committed to furthering cob's legal legitimacy that we were able to get the permit. The building process has been a really powerful reminder that clay, sand, and straw are great building materials, and most people are totally unfamiliar with them. A cob code could change all that and make these building materials more accessible to everyone.
Since 2011, I've led efforts creating new sections in the International Residential Code on straw bale and straw clay construction, as well as tiny houses. This has allowed more opportunities for sustainable building because the IRC is the basis for the residential code throughout the United States. To develop a cob code, CRI has assembled a capable team. In addition to me, it includes structural engineer Anthony Dente, natural builder Massey Burke, Michael Smith, a cob builder and educator, and John Fordyce, an architect with decades of cob building experience. Funding is always required for testing and for creating any code proposal. However, natural building systems like cob are open sourced and have no corporate backing. They depend on support from grassroots organizations and individuals like you.
We have a really tight timeline. We need to complete our code development by January of 2019. If we can submit this in the next few months, we could have a cob code by 2021.